Welcome at Pizza and More. I don't know if you have exactly the same experience like I have. My wife sometimes says she doesn't want to have again pizza. And why does this happen? Because she eats very often exactly the same variation or the same toppings on her pizza. And of course, if you eat always the same, this gets boring. I'm Jürgen and we make this time a Pizza Salsiccia e Gorgonzola. And I think this is also a variation or a variant of pizza which you could and which you should take onto your menu, onto your pizza menu for your guests, for your family members, simply to avoid that these people are also getting annoyed or getting bored of pizza because they eat always the same toppings. Give them some possibilities, some options, some suggestions. What would be possible also on a pizza? Maybe they simply did not think, salsiccia and gorgonzola is nice. Very often I play a bit around with the different toppings. I do this because I want also not to eat always the same. However, I have here some variants which I really prefer, but I play around with different variations. Of course, some are taken from other menus, what I then try and what I taste and what I think, okay, this is not bad. Maybe I change some of the toppings. And that's the reason all these variations I really want to show you also on my channel, what I think which are nice and delicious. However, I know the taste of everyone is different. What tastes the one person, it's not guaranteed that the other persons also enjoy it. And exactly because of this, I decided today I show you how the pizza salsiccia e gorgonzola is made. Of course, it's not a witch work. And the salsiccia I use today is a normal salsiccia Classica. So this is not the already cooked salsiccia, not the hard one. This is the soft one, which is raw. It's filled with raw meat. It's important to open those salsiccia sausages and put the meat out, and I teared the meat with my fingers. There would be also the variation of salsiccia, the picante or the salsiccia with fennel, but I think the salsiccia Classica fits the best. If you have no salsiccia available, then you also could use minced meat. The gorgonzola I use today is a Gorgonzola Dolce, so a mild variation of gorgonzola, because there is also a picante available, but I don't like this picante. This tastes too heavy for me. Maybe you enjoy it, maybe not. It's really absolutely up to you. If you don't like gorgonzola at all, you could also use any other weak cheese, like Camembert, for example. As basis for this pizza, we have also a pizza margherita. And now I would say we start directly with the pizza. And here is now the pizza ball already on my counter. I won't say anything about the dough. I won't say something about how to take the dough out of the box without stressing the dough. I won't say how to stretch it or regarding the tomato sauce. Please excuse me, but all these topics are linked in the video description, because I made videos of all these things, and you will find the links to these videos in the video description. So please have a look on the other videos. There it's really in detail explained. But now I stretch the pizza like a normal Neapolitan pizza is stretched. As soon as the dough is stretched, the first we add is, as most of the times, our tomato sauce. Then some fresh grated Parmesan cheese. Then some leaves of fresh basil. Our Mozzarella Fior di Latte. then already the salsiccia, and you see this salsiccia is not pre-cooked. I think it's not required. It cooks in the oven properly. And now it's already time for adding the gorgonzola. Here I'm always a bit carefully, because too much gorgonzola could be afterwards really too much. However, if you are a great fan of gorgonzola, then please add as much as ever you want. And then of course some olive oil. And then the pizza is ready to go into the oven. This is our pizza salsiccia e gorgonzola, already topped with fresh basil. Yes, this pizza is really a very delicious one. Please forgive me, I'm not tasting it right now because it goes directly over to a family member and they won't hand over already cut it and tasted pizza. But you can believe me, it tastes fantastic. I have lots of different ideas, as I already said. I have lots of different pizza variants already in my mind, and I have it on the list what I want to show you. So if you like my video, it would be fantastic if you would subscribe my channel, and then we see us also in the next video. Ciao.